Hi, I'm Larry Lucchino, Chairman of the Jimmy Fund. Thank you so much for being part of the Jimmy Fund community supporting Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. Because of you, Dana-Farber has made tremendous advancements in cancer research and patient care. Current research is uncovering what just a few years ago were unimaginable possibilities. With each passing week, new therapies are coming online. Treatments are becoming more effective. They've become more precise. Target is the word they use, which means they come with fewer and fewer side effects. In the next few minutes, you will get a close-up view of what's happening at Dana-Farber. This progress in research and care would not be possible without your support. Thank you for your generosity.
This is the frontier. Boston and Cambridge are the world's capital for biomedical research. You have hospitals associated with other medical schools. You have the Broad Institute. You have drug companies. But when it comes to cancer, Dana-Farber is the leader in that ecosystem.
If you're really interested in biomedical research, there's a pretty good chance you're trying to get to Boston. And if you're interested specifically in cancer research, there's a pretty good chance you're trying to come work at the Dana-Farber.
Dana-Farber is an extraordinary institution. Our mission is to treat patients with cancer, to discover new therapies for cancer, and to train a new generation of cancer doctors. We have so many wonderful physician scientists here who work in the laboratory, and they take their discoveries all the way to the bedside of the patient.
There are tremendous advantages to have someone be a physician and a scientist. For me and for my colleagues who do both of these things, both sides of our lives inform the other side.
Dana-Farber's always had a CEO who is a combination doctor, researcher. Lori Glimsher is a fabulous immunologist herself, but it was more critical that she was a world-renowned researcher and someone who has great leadership and management skills.
Dana-Farber has been a pioneer in cancer immunotherapy. For the first time, patients who have melanoma that has spread throughout their bodies and who are literally at death's door have been put into what looks like a durable remission.
Cancer is a very complicated area, but we punch way above our weight because of the talent of the people we have.
Precision medicine is an incredibly important concept right now in oncology. TDM1 is an exciting drug that I like to think of as a smart bomb. It is a way to very precisely deliver chemotherapy just to breast cancer cells.
We've invented a really exciting technology because there's a lot of proteins, including KRAS, where we think this will be the first way we can induce degradation of these targets and render previously undruggable proteins druggable.
Our lab studies the BAF complex, which we've learned through genetics is a major culprit in human cancer. We use the Rubik's Cube as an analogy to study this complex in that different structural forms can dictate whether a cell proliferates normally or proliferates as a cancer cell. If we can reverse the faulty activity of these chromatin regulators, this could reverse the growth of human cancer.
The best thing to happen for a clinical researcher is to be caring for a patient in the clinic, to be able to offer them something they couldn't get anywhere else, a new clinical trial with a new hot drug or combination, and then that's exciting, but when it works.
We have invested in an ability to actually create drugs within the four walls of an academic institution. We have chemists, we have drug developers. We think that's going to be the future.
Right down the hallway rather than right down the street. You have the researchers, you have the clinicians, you have the patients, all working together to find a cure. And that pace is accelerating now. Something that used to take 8 or 9 years is now getting to patients in literally 3 years.
In the past 9 years alone, Dana-Farber has had 30 companies created.
From Dana-Farber's basic research, which is the center of this ecosystem, we go over to Cambridge, where these companies are being formed, and they turn that research into medicines. Those medicines then go back to Dana-Farber to treat and benefit the patients. And there's nothing like it in the world.
If you were interested in rocket science, the time to be alive was during the 1960s, whereas if you were really interested in cancer biology and cancer medicine, the time to be alive is right now.
Thank you again for your dedication to the Jimmy Fund and Dana-Farber's mission to fight cancer. Together, we will reach a brighter tomorrow, a world where cancers are treatable and conquerable. Thank you.